Hi guys, we got this junior guitar for my grand nephew. It is a youth guitar. It does come with a extra set of strings. It comes with a tuner, and it comes with a string nail. So it's kind of cool that it comes with that tuner because then you can tune it up and play it. It does also come with a strap, so it's real handy that the strap is adjustable, so you can adjust it to the size of the player. It looks really gorgeous. It's blue, shiny blue. It also comes with a carrying case. So if you guys need a youth guitar for someone for Christmas this year, go ahead and get this one. My great nephew's been having a great time playing it, and he's gonna be start taking some lessons soon. So um, he's an even better player. So if you guys need a guitar, go ahead and get this one. Thanks.